Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. And in this particular lesson, we are going to look at vectors. So this is the topic that I want to explain using this particular question. So if you are new to this platform, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like and comment. And if you are looking for tuitions, I'm going to share my number. The number is just here. You can contact me on this same number, then I will help you get a distinction in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. I think that number is visible over there. So now the question is saying, in the diagram below, you are given this diagram. OA is equal to vector A. OA is equal to vector A. The vector is here. OB is equal to vector B. And AC over CB is equal to 1 over 2. This is a ratio. So AC is equal to that. So AC is 1. AC is 1. AC is 1. CB is 2. So it is 2. So just to explain on this part, I don't want to leave any person behind. I want you to understand what I'm sharing here. This can also be written as AC CB is equal to 1 to 2. It can also be written like that. So don't be confused. The first one goes with the first one. The second one goes with the second one. This is how they get to move. So it can also be written in that way. You are not supposed to be confused. So now, how then are we supposed to answer this question? The first question is saying, express in terms of A and slash or B. So the first question is A, B. How can we answer this question A, B? A, B. How can we answer it? So we get to move in a triangle way. This is how we get to move. We get to move in a triangle way, and we should just move 2 steps, 1, 2. So they're telling you that how can you move from A to B just in 2 steps, 1, 2. So how can you move? How can you move A, B in a triangle way? How can you move? Where is A? A is here. You are going this side. So how are you going to move? A, O, O, B. You reach 1, 2. So you are going to start at A. So A, O, vector A, O plus O, B. So O, B. This is what you are going to say. Such that, have you seen, these two are the same. These two are the same. So this is what you are supposed to do. So you from here to there, there to there. You are not supposed to say that I'll go direct. No. Because you don't know what this side is. That is why we are finding it. So AB is equal to, you're going to do this. AB is equal to what? What is our AO? AO. Have you seen where this arrow is going? The arrow is going there. We are going against. So under vectors, each time you are going against, it means this should be a negative. So negative vector A. This is what you are supposed to do. Then OB, we are going with the arrow. Have you seen? We are going with this arrow. So meaning this is just supposed to be plus B, like this. So this is what you are supposed to do. These are things that you need to get and understand. So like here, if you want, you can end here. This is an answer. There is no problem. But if you want, you can put this negative inside where you say A, B. But if you know that these things, numbers are difficult to you, you say B minus A. This is just one and the same. You can end here. So ending here and here, these two are just the same. You can end there if you want, or you can end here. This is just one and the same thing. So don't be confused. Don't say, me, I'm not good with science. They will confuse me. It's better you just end here. They will still mark you. So we've answered what? We've answered AB. I'll be writing them here so that these things, at some point, they can be used. So vector AB is equal to what? I'll go with B minus A. This is what I'm going to do. So I've answered the first one. I move to this one. AC. How can I answer AC? How can I answer AC? Hope you are able to see what is happening. You are able to follow the procedures. So I move to AC. How can I answer AC? Where is AC? AC is just right here. AC. Vector AC. AC. How can I answer AC? How can I answer AC? Have you seen? AC is 1. In which line? AB. So this is just the same as this is 1 over the total line. AC is in which line? AB. The total line is what? Here there is 1, here there is 2. So the total line is 3. So 3 in which line? AB. It is in which line? AB. AC is just the short path of AB. This is what it means. So this is what you are supposed to get. AC is just the short path of what? AB. So it is 1. The total line is what? The total line is 3. This is the 3. And this is AB. So from here, what do? You just say this is now equal to 1 over 3, open bracket. What is your AB? AB we add to find, which is here. We just say B minus A. So like this, you are done. Have you seen? So this is the answer. You can end here. If you want, no need of expanding. You just end there. These things are correct, just like that. So this is AC. I'm going to write it here. Maybe they'll be used. I think you can even observe they are being used. So I'm going to write it here. This is B minus A. So write it here so that I don't get confused or look for that answer. So that is how you get to answer what? We've answered AC. We move to OC. How can we answer OC? How can we answer OC? Hope you are able to see these things. The same way I'm answering this, you are not supposed to struggle when you are answering these particular questions. So I'm here to help you get a distinction in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. So what we are supposed to do on this one, which is what? OC. How can we answer OC? So I say OC, vector OC is equal to OC. You say, you move from here, OA, AC. So we are going to say OA, vector OA plus AC. Like this is how we are going to move. Have you seen these two are the same? When you remove this, you are going to remain with OC. So just two steps. 1, 2. So from here to there, there to there. So we are moving in a triangle way. So we say this is now equal to what? What is OA? OA, vector A. I put my vector A part. Plus, what is AC? AC is the one that I'm just from finding. This is AC. Have you seen? So this is AC plus 1 over 3, then open bracket, B minus A. Like this. Then, when I see something like that, I need to expand this part. So how do I expand? A will be maintained. I say plus, what is 1 times B? That is 1 over 3. I put my B there. Then positive, negative. So it's negative 1 over 3A. This is what I'm going to do. Hope you're able to see what I'm doing. So from here, you group the like terms together. So you need to group the like terms together. How can you group the like terms together? This is A. This is minus 1 over 3A. Then plus 1 over 3B. So this one goes this side. Then I group this. This can be simplified. That's the same as what? The coefficient there is 1. So it is just the same as this. So I'm going to write them here. So that you understand. I've answered these questions. So this is just the same as 1 minus 1 over 3. This is just one and the same. I've removed this vector A. I've removed them. So it is just like this. How do you answer that? You say 1. You find the common denominator. 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 1, it is 3. Minus 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 1, it is 1. The answer is what? 2 over 3. 2 over 3 then this is our answer, 2 over 3. In this case, we've got A. So it is going to be 2 over 3. Then I put my A there. Where I say plus what? 1 over 3. I put my B there. This is what I'm going to do. So after I do this, have you seen what is common? 3 is common down. So the answer now, OC, this is what I'm going to do. OC now is equal to the final answer. I say 1 over what? Over 3. Because 3 is down, is common. Oh, here I'm going to remain with what? 2A plus B. This is my answer. I don't know if people are able to see what is there. So that is the answer that I'm going to have. That is the answer that I'm going to remain with. So this is the answer here. Such that if you multiply 1 times 2, you're going to go back to 2 over 3A. 1 times B there, you're going to have 1 over 3, then the B. So this is our answer. We just do that. This is the answer that you get. So those are what you are supposed to do. These are the procedures that you need to get and understand. So I now move to the last question. So the last question is this one. Given that M is the midpoint of OC, this M is the midpoint of what? Is the midpoint of OC. So meaning that here there is half, here there is half. So this, if I pick this, it's 1 over 2. Even there, I can say 1 like this. Such that if I pick OM, it's 1 over 2, which is half. Because it is the what? The midpoint. So now what I'm going to do is this. This is what I'm going to do. Show that AM, I show that AM, this point, AM is equal to this. So these questions where you are given the answer, it's just a matter of showing. They want you to show that AM is equal to that. How can you show that? So that answer, let me write it here. I know it can be used at some point. So you don't need to throw answers. So like this, 2A plus, so 2A plus B. That is the answer there. So I can lab this part so that I use this part to show. So I'm using this part to show what is happening. So I want you to follow me clearly even as I explain this. So they are saying AM. So me, I just need to find this. And this is the answer I need to get. AM. So AM is equal to, AM is equal to what? AM is equal to AM. How am I going to move? I'm going to say O, A, O, O, M. So I'll start from A because I'm starting with A. So you always start with what is given first, A. So I'll start with A, O, plus what? O, M. O, M. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm supposed to do. Where I say this will now be equal to what? What is AO? I'm going in the opposite direction. So it is minus A. Plus, what is OM? Where is OM? OM is along which line? OC. And I'm told that M is the midpoint of the line OC. Meaning I'll just say this is half of which line? Half of which line? This line that I'm given, OC, half of this. So since there is already something like this, so I'm going to say, I'm going to multiply here. I'm multiplying what? 1 over 3, open bracket, 2A plus B. I don't know if you're able to see what is there. 2A plus B. So, I want you to see what is happening there. This is what is happening. So, this is OM. So half of OM. Half. Have you seen OC? I mean, this is OC. This is my OC. OC. So OM is half of OC. OM, which is half of OC. OC is this one, the one that I wrote there. So I had to cross multiply. The answer now will now be equal to negative A. I say 1 times 1. So plus 1 over 2 2 times 3, 6. I do this. This is 2a plus b. This is what I'm going to do. So I know that my answer should be like this. This is how the answer should come out. I multiply. This is now equal to. So I'll say this is now equal to. So I think there's no need of the diagram here. So I can have this part now. I'm just proving. I prove. So I will say AM is equal to A negative A. If I multiply there, I'm going to get plus 2A over 6. If I multiply there, I'm going to get plus 1 over 6 a B there. This is what I'm going to get if I multiply. So let me write it down here properly so that everyone is able to see. So I'm saying that AM is equal to negative A already there. 1 times 2. So it is 2. So 2A over 6. Then plus 1 times B there. So it's 1 over 6B. This is what I'm going to have. I get this part and simplify. So I need to simplify that. I can simplify it here. There's no problem. I can simplify it here. So that is, here the coefficient is 1. So it's negative 1 plus 2 over 6. I just do that. So meaning that here I just say 1. I find the lowest common denominator, which is 6. 1 into 6. 6. 6 times negative 1. Negative 6. 6 into 6. 1. 1 times 2. It is 2. Like this. So what answer am I getting here? Negative 4 over 6 as my answer. That is the answer that I'm getting. So this is my answer. I'm getting that answer. So now here there is A. So I just need to include what? A. So I will say that the answer there is what? This is equal to. So I will say negative 4 over 6. Then I put my A there. Then I say plus 1 over 6b. Hope you are able to see that it has even come out. This is a negative. There is a negative there. So this is a negative here. So I can do this. I can swap them like that. Have you seen? I can do what? Swap them. Start with this one. Start with this one. Then end with that. So I'm just swapping this. Nothing is changing. I'm just swapping them. So what is happening is this. This is what is happening. I want to start with that. So I'm going to say that 1 over. So what I'm going to do, I start with this one. 1 over 6. Then B minus 4 over 6A. Like this. Then 1 over 6 is common. 1 over 6. That is over 6 over 6. So just say 1 over 6. Here you are going to have a B minus. There you are just going to have 4A. So this is your answer like this. These two are the same. I think you are even able to see that these two are the same. This is what you are supposed to do. This is what you need to do. From here, you just say that hence what? Hence shown. You've answered these questions. Don't forget to like this video and share. I'm here to help you get a distinction. Thank you so much. This is your tutor, Addison J. Zulu Tutor.